Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices fell as investors weighed an ample supply outlook for next year against OPEC Plus delaying its planned output increase by 3 months to April 2025. US stocks ended lower, with United Health down sharply and technology shares easing as investors awaited Friday's jobs report. The S&P 500 Technology Index fell 0.2% after hitting a record closing high, when all 3 major US stock indexes also notched closing highs. Bitcoin dominance, a measure of how much the crypto market's total value belongs to BTC, has rebounded as the asset hit a 6-figure all-time high, while most altcoins failed to shadow its gains. Bitcoin dominance reached 57%. The euro gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.